Hello everyone. In this video, you can see how to make a simple, but very useful device for checking the TL081 and TL071 chips. These chips are very similar in their parameters and represent a low-noise operational amplifier. Why I needed these chips, you can see in one of the following videos on my channel. Well, today I will make a device to test these chips, because very often they are sold non-working. You can download the schematic diagram of the device that I will assemble today in the Telegram group. The link to this group will be in the description under the video. The schematic diagram of the device is very simple. This is a conventional multivibrator that sends a signal to the inverting and non-inverting inputs of the chip. At the same time, the LED included in the load of the chip flashes. For a complete check of the chip, a switch is installed before each of its inputs. When the inverting input is turned off, the LED at the output goes out. And when the non-inverting input is turned off, the LED lights up constantly. You can download this scheme in the Telegram group. I made the frame of the future device out of copper wire. First of all, I will fix the connector for the chip, as well as two buttons. After almost the same distance, I will solder 4 resistors, and already connect LEDs and capacitors to them. Now I will solder the transistors and the necessary jumpers. It remains to solder the LED, which will be connected to the output of the chip. Everything is ready. It's time to check what happened. When turned on, the device did not work. The multivibrator does not start. And all because when assembling, I made a little mistake with connecting the jumpers. I'll fix it now. Let's see what happened now. That's the order now. The multivibrator is working, and you can check the chips. This chip works perfectly in all test modes. But then a few chips turned out to be defective. And another working chip. As a result, 12 out of 20 chips turned out to be non-working. This concludes this video. If you liked it, then click the subscribe button so as not to miss the next video on my channel. I thank you for watching and see you soon.